The CyberKnife is basically a miniaturized radiation delivery machine. It's about a 3-foot linear accelerator. Linear accelerators are present in all radiation departments in the country, but they're much, much bigger. And it's attached to a robotic arm, which has been derived from the arm that BMW have used to create their cars. And that's coupled to some very sophisticated tracking software and delivery software. So we fire in hundreds of pencil-thin beams of radiation from thousands of potential treatment angles. They all meet in the middle of the patient's tumour, but delivering so many beams of radiation from so many different angles and being able to track the patient's tumour every few seconds. In fact, we can even track a patient's tumour as they breathe in and out. So we can deliver this sub-millimetre accuracy from many different angles, and that enables us to deliver an extremely high dose to the tumour, and treating from so many angles means that we can avoid the normal tissues.
Cancer, I think, never crossed my radar. I mean, I'd lost a wife to cancer, I'd lost relations, friends, but I think one lives optimistically and think it's never going to strike you. My partner and I went on holiday to the west coast of America, and just after arriving I got this sort of irritation in the bowel area at night, which woke me up and meant I was pacing the rooms at 3 o'clock in the morning and putting the television on and all this sort of thing, and I lost my appetite. But nothing much was found until I had a CT scan in December, so it took a couple of months to get to the real diagnosis, when the pancreatic cancer was discovered.
His oncologist out in Jersey is an old friend of mine, and we met up in central London at a CyberKnife seminar which was taking place a few months ago. And we were discussing the sorts of patients that I thought would be eminently suitable for this treatment. And I just happened to describe a scenario, and there was a sort of, you could almost see the look in his eyes, and he, I think, immediately realised that he had a patient in mind, that patient being Robert.
And came back extremely enthusiastic. He's an enthusiastic guy anyway, but he said, "Robert, this is for you, you must go for it."
I got a very excited phone call the next day when he was in the hospital, looking up the notes, saying, "Yes, absolutely, I really think this could be the way forward for this chap."
It's a fantastic treatment, really the best treatment you could have. I feel as good as I did when I went in 2.5 hours ago. I feel good.